In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the sign in QR code in Microsoft Outlook. If you find this guide helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video to support more straightforward tutorials like this. Using a QR code to sign in is a quick and secure way to get into Outlook on your phone without typing your full email address and password. Think of it as a secure bridge between the Outlook you already have open on your computer and the Outlook app on your phone. You simply display a code on your computer, scan it with your phone, and you're in. Here's how to find that QR code. Start on your computer by opening Outlook, either in your web browser or the desktop app. Once Outlook is open, look toward the top left corner of the screen. There, select Help to open more options. In the Help menu, click on Outlook Mobile. As soon as you select it, Outlook will display a QR code on your screen. That's the code you'll use to sign in from your phone. Now switch to your phone and open the Outlook mobile app. With the QR code visible on your computer, use your phone to scan it. The app will recognize the code and sign you in right away, so you can access your mail without typing in your details. A few quick tips make this even smoother. Make sure your computer screen is bright enough and the QR code is fully visible, so the camera can read it easily. Hold your phone steady and let the app focus on the code. Usually it locks on in a second or two. If the code times out, just go back to Help and select Outlook Mobile again to generate a fresh one. And for the best experience, make sure you're connected to the internet on both devices and that you're already signed into the correct Outlook account on your computer before you open the Help menu. That's all there is to it. With just a quick scan, you can start using the Outlook mobile app easily and securely without juggling passwords on a tiny keyboard. If this walkthrough helped you, please give the video a like and subscribe for more practical guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy the faster sign-in with Outlook.